Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, thank you all for your prayers. Thank you for all the comments that came through. Listen, my community is the greatest. Thank you all. My wife, she told me to tell you all thank you as well. She's feeling a little bit better today. Not 100%, but she's feeling better. Again, thank you, and thank you. With that being said, let's go ahead and kick this review off. This is the watch face of the week. We haven't done many, but this one made the cut. You gotta check this one out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today, yes, this one made the cut of the watch face of the week. Why? You gotta look at the design. Now, the name of this one is called Red Alien, and if you look at it, it does have kind of an alien theme to it. I'm liking it. It stands out. It's red. You can tie this in with like a red or black that you're wearing for the day, or a blue and red, or a white and red. Whatever you decide to tie this into, this is going to blend perfectly. Now, this watch face is by Pappy again. And yes, there's going to be one winner for this watch face. So comment. Make sure you comment. First of all, in always on mode, it's going to look different on the Gear S3 than it will on the Gear S2. Both look good. Both is going to give you all the information you can need to see at a glance, so it's nice. But when the watch face is on, listen, I like this alien theme. I like the stack time at the top, and it kind of webs out right here. The design is nice. I thought the developer did a really great job on this watch face. So, of course, you get information on your calories burned, your heart rate. Over here, you get information on your steps and your miles walked or ran. I did a lot of walking today. I did complete my step goal, so I'm over 20,000, looking good. And in the center, you get your battery info, and you get this little meter that goes around, which I thought was a nice touch. At the bottom, that lets you know how much of your goal you have completed. I've completed 100 plus, right? Also, what I like about this is not only do you get the day and your date, you also get some shortcuts, right? Which I thought was pretty cool. Just tap on it. You can go to your calendar, set an event. You can get your weather info, which is important on a run. And over here, you can go into your settings if you so choose. And if I tap right here at the top, I can either make a phone call or I can go in and make a test, well, go into my contacts. So I thought the developer, again, as always, I thought he got down on his watch face. I thought this was one worthy of a solo review that I thought you might want to check out. All right, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the watch face of the week. And if you did, please, whatever you do, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Make sure you share this with other people who are into watch faces or who don't know about Huck's World. Let them know that we got the best watch faces out there. And with that, if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.